All right, guys, welcome to update number 12 for the monthly dividends portfolio. If you are new here, this is my side project portfolio. Basically, I take $50 every single week and dollar cost average it into this portfolio, and M1 Finance does the legwork, basically spreading it out in these different companies at the percentage target that I specified. So if you guys are curious about the actual holdings and want to look at them on your own time, I will leave an updated link in the description. For those that have been watching the videos, I appreciate those that are liking and making sure you're subbed to the channel. It makes a really huge difference right now. And always leaving comments is something I look forward to as well. Any questions, you guys can always reach out to me. All right, so looking at the week, we have recovered some market gains. It says there's some earned dividends. It's $1.74 there, but if you go to the activity tab, I have not gotten any dividends since Prospect Capital, so I'm not really sure what their cutoff is there, but since the portfolio is this small, we're kind of more concerned with the all-time chart anyways. Looking at the 1 week chart, it's just not going to be that helpful with the $50 deposit jumping up like that pretty much every single week. So, but yeah, overall up $11.74 and $5.74 in dividends. It seems like I've said before, the market gains and losses of this portfolio are really sensitive, so good thing the earned dividends part is the pretty much overall focus of the portfolio. So moving over to simplysafedividends.com, my dividend tracker. These are last week's numbers. We had $32 in annual income, dividend growth was 3%, and dividend yield was about 5.28%. With the purchases we made this week, we are at $35 in annual income. Dividend growth went down a little bit, 2.9%, and dividend yield is about the same. So pretty much income was the only category that was really affected. Dividend growth is going to go between 3 and 2.9%, I think, with how we have everything going. Something I do want to mention is that SPHD did do another dividend cut. If you guys want a little bit more specifics on that, it's on Instagram, Chris Meyer Investing. You can read the email I got from them there, but they just did a slight cut. It didn't affect my annual income by even $1. But yeah, like I said, there's no dividends, so there's really nothing to talk about there. I do want to point out though, gain or loss here. Let's just go through that together. So our biggest gains have actually been on APLE, which isn't currently paying a dividend. I kind of am bullish on their stock. I think they're going to start paying their dividend once everything kind of opens up. It's a hospitality company, mostly in the lodging sector or hotels. So I tried getting in on them for the pricing. I do think they're going to actually start paying a dividend soon. So this is the only company that isn't currently paying in the portfolio, but they do pay monthly. So when they do, it's going to be a good addition. We're already building an equity in there, so I think it's a good move to do that. Obviously, the pricing has been going up with it being the biggest gain loss. So like I said multiple times now, there wasn't any dividends, but if you guys missed last week's video, here you go. This is what August is looking like. We're gonna beat July no problem. Looking at the graph here again, we're gonna be above July no problem. So pretty much the goal here is to just keep increasing the dividends paid. That's how we know the portfolio is doing well and it's fulfilling the purpose. That pretty much wraps up the typical update stuff. I am trying to decide what the long-term plan is for this portfolio. This isn't like a portfolio I'd be comfortable with, like probably 25,000 in even. There's a lot of companies in here that are kind of sketchier and I don't really like bonds as much, but I think what I might end up doing, instead of combining this with the Robinhood portfolio, I might like cap it at a certain dollar amount and then just collect the dividends every month and then use those dividends to invest in other assets. We'll have to figure out a dollar amount that works for me, but that's kind of something I'm thinking about. So let me know what you guys think of that in the comments. Again, I do have another stock portfolio, so that's kind of why this one would be used for, again, the cash flow, and just use those dividends to buy into other assets, whether it's my other stock portfolio or real estate, you know, that kind of a thing. So just something I'm kind of thinking about. For people that have been watching me, they know I kind of throw things out there once in a while and try to ask for some feedback. But anyways, I'm going to stop rambling. I will see you guys tomorrow with another upload.